No problem.
Yeah. Okay, then we were discussing related with the artificial intelligence. Please come on the first slide. Then here I am going to explain you about the artificial intelligence which is functioning in each and everywhere. Now see that whenever the artificial intelligence comes in our mind, then lot of things come, that it may be like this robot, or it may be like this robot, or there is any kind of satellite which is doing. But as we know that artificial intelligence is working as like a man, he is working as like a human. But once the artificial words come, that time the robot comes in our mind. Madam, next slide.
Next slide, please.
Which way?
See, here we are saying about the actual artificial intelligence which is working right now in the 2020. Artificial intelligence has been spread in each and every area, in each and every sector, and all the works are mostly going to be do by the device of the artificial intelligence. Next. In the artificial intelligence, what is going to be work? We can see that in the first row, you can see that there is a machine learning, another is a speech, and third is a computer vision. When we talk about the machine learning, then we can see that there is a prediction in our mind. We think about that something will be like this, maybe it will be, that is only our prediction and assumptions which we assume in each and every sectors. Another, they have focused that the artificial intelligence is a speech, there is a voice recognition, and the computer vision is there all over, all the devices are working here. Madam, next slide.
Next slide, please. Arkadaşlar, okay.
Yeah. Now, here we are going to understand about the artificial intelligence which has been spread in each and every sector, and we can see that how there is a deep learning of the artificial intelligence in the commerce industry. Artificial technology provide a competitive edge to e-commerce businesses and is becoming readily available in companies in any size or a budget. Leverage machine learning, AI software automatically tags, organizes, and visible searches content by the labeling features of the image of video. We can see that today lot of apps are in the market, and we all people are using, and when we are ordering something from online, and it was working by the device through the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is permitting to shopper to discover associate product, whether it is a size, color, shape, or even a brand. The visual capability of the artificial intelligence are improving, and it is working automatically. It is improving day by day and year by year. By first obtaining, if we go and see, there is a visual cue from the uploaded imaginary, the software can successfully assist the customer in finding the product they desire. For example, that there is a lot of online shopping apps, and when we want to do a shopping from that app, we open it and we put the search that we want to purchase this. If people want to search for a mobile or a computer, or they want to purchase a clothes, they put in the search, and that has been done searching, and that app is able to find out the product which you are desired. Many of e-commerce retailers are also becoming more sophisticated with their application capable. And I will say that today we all are expecting for this, and in future it is growing more and more. When a new product is added in an e-commerce store, it attributes are automatically and attract to the computer vision system. We all people are on the social media, and we see that these online apps, when they are introducing new product in their app, then we have not searched, but then also even we are going on the Facebook, or we are on the any other media, Instagram, etc., then we see that in between some new product ads come, and it is the promotion of the company. They shows that this brand is available in this online. So these all things has been done by the computer vision, and these all has been done by the artificial intelligence, which has been done by the e-commerce. Next.
Next slide, please.
Now see, we will see here that where the artificial intelligence is working. First of all, I will say that here is a speech recognition. When speech recognition technology has been already uploaded in lot of the mobiles, such as Alexa, Cortana, Google Assistants, or Siri, are changing the way people interact with their device, home, car, or jobs. Lot of things are there which has been done by this. The technology allows us to talk to the computer or device that interpret what we are saying in order to respond to our question or command. Same thing, this is also a device which we are using, in which we speak, and the app recognize that what we are speaking, and then it produce that thing, whatever it is related with anything. The technology has been developed in the computer vision. With the long history of the development of innovation, it was the introduction of this artificial intelligence. There is a voice control assets or digital assets into the voice recognition market that changed the landscapes of this technology in the 21st century. Nowadays, this technology has been increased, and each and every sector this intelligence has been using, and they are going to be grow by the use of artificial intelligence. These type of artificial intelligence is gradually transforming search queries. Whenever we want to search, then these queries can be done in this application, and then artificial intelligence helps to process on the Google voice search, and whatever we want to search, that can be searched from them. Another thing, we have seen the chatbot also. Whenever we go on the search on the computer, any other company's website, or if we go to search anything on the computer, that time you have seen a lot of time that one side, one chat box immediately comes out, and he say, may I help you? That is what? That is a artificial intelligence, because that has been already uploaded in the computer. That app has been already uploaded in that website, that when the people search in that website, so someone should be there to help them. Even that side, no other human being is there, but that is only done by the artificial intelligence app, which is helping you, which is helping us by the chat box. And whatever we write, not only whatever we want, we write there, and they reply us. That all things are counted in the that chat bot. Next point is a workplace. In the workplace, when the speech, no madam, that on, keep that slide. There is a 4 points I am going to explain. There is a workplace. In the workplace, speech recognition technology is also used in the workplace also. It has involved into the incorporating simple tasks to increase efficiencies as well as beyond tasks having traditional needed humans to be performed today. In the current scenario, current business communication is overloaded. It is overloaded, and with the contact of channel, with the tools, so-called solutions, depriving individual for hitting target while also harming work-life balance also. Artificial intelligence will help business improving the communication with the internal and external focus of the increased productivity. In the manufacture sector also, in the workplace also, we have to focus internal part and external part. So these all things has been done by the artificial intelligence, and it has been used on the workplace also. Work as with a such artificial intelligence personalization, each individual will be empowered thanks to an intelligence virtual assist which helps us in the each and every sector when we are going to enter and when we are going to search something on the workplace. And it is very most utilized and efficiently working for us in the short and long run. We see that business process, it will improve more and more. Innovatives are coming, and it has been increasing and decreasing the stress because people are using this artificial intelligence in each and every sector. There is a lot of examples I can give you that there is a search for report or documents from your our computer, whatever we have put in the computer. Immediately there is a search system. We put it and we can search it. There is a decayed information which can be incorporated to the documentation. We have a start now. Right now we are here very far from. I am in India and you are in the Turkey, but this start video conferencing is also a application which we are here. Otherwise, it is a very long distance to reach there. And now we are here and we are discussing our topics. This is also continuing, and in due to COVID-19, this intelligence has been become a more popular, and now our college study education everything has been gone by the video conferencing, and lot of the minutes are here and lot of the travel arrangements has been done through the artificial intelligence. Now I will go in the banking sector. When we go and enter in the banking sector, then we will see that in the artificial intelligence, when we talk, that time I have discussed and I have talked in the earlier that there is a machine learning. Another thing is a deep learning. In the deep learning is used in the banking sector because the aim of the banking and financial industry is for the speed recognitions to reduce friction for the customer. The voice activated banking could largely reduce the need for human customer services and lower employee cost. You have seen that nowadays every banking sector is using this applicable, and this computerization has been implemented in each and every sector, and that can be doing in the banking sector. And the banking sector is assisting and it is doing a more satisfactory, and it is a loyalty for the customer. And there is a request of the information regarding your balance transaction, spending your habits without having to open your cell phone, make payment, receive information about your transaction history. Today around the world, we all people are doing all the transactions through online. Even all the payments has been transaction has been done the online. It has been transferred from one place to another place. We have to not to go in the bank. Another, if we people also want to transfer our money, we are using a Google Pay, and through the Google Pay lot of transactions has been transferred from one place to another place. Another thing that if there is any kind of fraud, if there is any kind of frictions, that can also be searched by this application, and it can be immediately searched. And if we want now, as earlier, when we want a detail of our bank, we go to the bank and we give our passbook and they will fill, and then we know that how much transaction has been done there, and where have been, and where the transactions has been done, and where it is going to be continued. But nowadays we can get a history from the transactions, and we get immediately our record what is there. So these all things are going in the banking sector, and the applications has been used in each and every banking sector in the finance system. Now, next, in the healthcare. In the healthcare, also we can see in the health sector, we see in the health sector the environment where in the health sector the environment where seconds are crucial and operating. Am I audible?
Ser Selma bir
Yeah,
geri gelir misin lütfen?
yeah. It is operating conditions and prior in the year of hand, and particularly in the next 5 or 10 years in the future also, artificial intelligence is going to have a big impact on the health sector, in the health industry, the way in which healthcare related companies utilize artificial intelligence. Health is transformative mobile app which used by the healthcare. It provides to prevent medical errors by offering both clinically device supports during critical medical events, as well as documenting through event electronically in real time. Today, when we have some problem or when we want to search something, we can go in this application, and there is a lot of healthcare application which give us lot of knowledge at home. We can go on that app and we can search lot of information related with the medical. And if you have any kind of problem, or if you have some medicine and you want to search something, because if we are not educated doctorate, we don't know that which medicine is using, and which medicine we are taking, that is what is the side effect of that medicine, what is the advantage of that medicine, we can search from there. And these all the related with the health issues has been already uploaded through this artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence presents opportunities for our applications to take the data we gathered from patients and be able to clinically innovate to improve patients' outcome to an even greater extent. Nowadays, nowadays due to coronavirus, due to COVID, every people have a fear to go outside. If we go anywhere, we need a social distancing. We don't know that where is a corona. Nobody has seen the corona. It is invisible. So the message is to be keep a social distance, to wear a mask. But then also we have a fear to go in the any clinically. Now these app has also be uploaded in the mobile, in the computer, and we go through and we can consult with the doctor, and we can get all the information from the doctor through this application. So in the now I will not say that in the future, because already this COVID-19 has implemented these all things, and practically we all things has been going to through this, and we are implementing these things. So through computer we are searching lot of things in this sector, and the healthcare sector is helping to us. Besides of this, there are a lot of benefits in this sector which quickly we are finding the information, medical information from this app. Nurse can be reminded of process or given satisfaction or specific instruction. You will get a click alarm from that, and you will get the information. So lot of time the people forget to take a medicine. There also this app, and it will be give you a reminder that please go through and take this medicine. Like this has been given in this app. Nurse can ask for the administrative information such as the number of patients on a floor or the number of the available units. Everywhere we see that every data, every information has been uploaded on the computer, and that can be in the future we can get, and if we want to get a history of that, we can also get from there. Next.
Next slide, please, Selma.
Sir, this is behind. Please forward.
Bu gerideki slide bir ileri lütfen. Geriye gidiyorsunuz şu anda arkadaşlar. Evet. burası.
How the computer vision is working. We are discussing that everything has been uploaded in the computer vision. The computer is working here. It has been a vision of the computer which is confused with the image processing. However, computer vision is a more high level of process. It deals with the analysis of an image. In the CV process, in input is an images with the output in the interpretation of an images. Computer vision works by identifying different components in the images. If we have put as same what the difficult I am facing, that I was trying to share my PPT, so from one side it was not going, and from other side also my voice was not there, means that I have not sent you earlier this presentation. If I have sent you, then you have opened from there, means that was not available in your device. As soon as I send you and it was available in your device, you have uploaded and presented here. Same thing. Same thing, whatever we are uploading, whatever we are putting inside the computer, that computer visions there. So what is artificial intelligence? Because the computer is working there, human is not working, but that all intelligence has been transferred in that device, that has been done by the human. So we are saying that that is artificial because that is working as like us, that is presenting as like us, that is behaving as like a human. So we are saying that this intelligence is a artificial intelligence. So whatever, if we go in the banking sector, or if we go in the health sector, or we go in any sector, everything has been given by the human being. Everybody has uploaded, then it will be give you output to be get all the information from there. These things has been uploaded in the computer. As I have said, given you one example in the starting, that whenever we open some website, then there is a chat bar. There is also, if you put your relevant question, then it will be answered. And sometime what was happen, we put some question, then the reply will that sorry, our assistant will contact you, because nobody has filled that question answer. That's way computer, whatever computer is doing, that is doing whatever we have uploaded there. Next slide.
Next slide. Bir sonraki. Teşekkürler.
Yes, but see here, what I have mentioned here, that input. If we show there, I have shown here one plate that is full of fruits, and our sensing device are going to be evaluated, and then the computer vision is going to be interrupting in the device. Now, what has been come at human vision start, what it see and what the brain work, that there is a one bowl. The bowl have a orange, banana, peach, mandarin, apple. Means that whatever I have put there, that the computer is reading and it is telling us that is there. So these things has been done by the computer vision which we input it. Next.
Bir sonraki slide lütfen.
What is robotic process automation? Now we are working in each and every sector. So in the robotic sector, And I can say that robotic process automation is the most popular application in the robotic. In these cases, software bots are programmed to deliver, execute, and perform tasks that administrative staff would typically do. And this creates resources, capacity, and allows staff to focus on higher value activities. Who has made the robot? That also has been made by the human being. Robot is what? All the machineries and all the applications has been uploaded, and the device has been uploaded, and it work whatever we do from the device. Same thing you have seen that right now we are using lot of things by the robotic and by the robot, whatever functions you have uploaded. Drone also work as a robotic process. In the drone also, wherever whatever we have to do from that, we do for that applicable, and it has been done by them. So same it is robot work in the lot of places, that can be in the job, in the customer service, in the agents, personal assistant, social media manager, fast food serves, etc. Everywhere this has been done. Next.
Bir sonraki slide lütfen.
See, I have explained here that how the robot replace jobs. There is not a human being, but a robot is working like this. There is any kind of customer services which we are getting from this. If they want to assist us personally, they assist us in the social media manager also. It has been worked from the boards, and if we go in the fast food services, that also has been done by this artificial intelligence, which has been already uploaded here. Next. Now see, as e-commerce, banking and health sector, already I have explained you very well that e-commerce has been explaining each and every sector. Today, online businesses are going on. Lot of the businesses are transforming from digitalization, and every company is trying to focus through the digitalization, and this is moving toward this. And another thing, that digitalization has changed the consumer behavior also, because lot of things are available in this application. When we go and purchase online, then lot of things are there at home. It is saving our time, it is saving our money through these applications which has been done. And why the consumer behavior is changing? Because as earlier, when we are going in the market, that time we go to the shop and we purchase something. But now if we want to purchase something, we go on the online. If we have to purchase a branded thing, then also we put the name of the brand, and that is coming in the application, and we are searching there. Another thing, when we, this is practically what we are doing today. When we want to purchase something, for example, that I am going to search one mobile from the online, right? And what I do, I go and I search that, okay, I want to purchase mobile. Then there is a lot of mobiles will become, and lot of the company has been uploaded. Means that the company has transferred and uploaded in that application that they are selling the product through online. Then if I think that, okay, this Samsung is very good, I will select this. Now this Samsung, I collect Samsung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now whatever the features I have to see, I can go inside and I can see all the features through that applications. Another thing which is very important for us, when we purchase something, we can get a review of other customers, those who have purchased earlier. And when we see that there is a 1 star, 2 star, 3 stars, and lot of the reviews, lot of the recommendations are there, it means that we are getting the feedback of that product, that that product is good. Some people, those have purchased before us, how it is going on, how it is good, it has been working, or the supply is good, whatever the customer feel, they write here. Means these all things has been done by the application. That's way customer is trying to find their product through online. On the another side, we can go that the business is also transforming toward the digitalization, because they can grab their customer very easily, and when the customer get the trust on that application, then the customer is ready to purchase from there, and the company is updating data from there, because they collect lot of data from there. Whenever you go and search, then that is applicable there, and that is feed that this person has been searched in these applicable applications, and the company next time focus you, and these all things are counted in the artificial intelligence. In the banking sector also, as I have described that in the previous time, it was very difficult to find the fraud in the bank also, as I have explained in the starting, that in the banking sector all the transactions has been done by the online system. All the transactions we are doing, all the histories, whatever we want to find, we can find from online. But another a big thing in the banking and finance, that it can be search of fraud, it can be deduct the fraud. As previous, it is very difficult to deduct the fraud, but now a bank is using artificial intelligence, and it has become very easy to search in the bank sector and in the finance, that where the fraud has been done, and it has been caught immediately. Today, many of the banks are using the various applications of the artificial intelligence to detect these fraud activities. There is a security for this to be break this. No fraud should be continue, and it can be find out by these application. Artificial intelligence software has given a very large sample of data that include the fraudulent and non-fraudulent purchases, and is trained to determine whether a transaction is valid based on data or not. Over time, the software becomes incredible adept at spotting fraudulent transactions based on what has learned previously. Even some of banks are using artificial intelligence in the implementing of KYC. As a lot of time we receive the messages from the bank, they says us that please complete your KYC. KYC is related with know your customer, means that bank want to know their customer who is dealing with that account, so they have to fulfill our KYC. In the KYC, we give our identity cards, and through that identity cards, it can be understood that which person is operating this bank. And as earlier, when some transactions has been done, or we have transferred some money in bank account, and we have to search this, that was not easy to search that from where and whom to has been transferred, only the name is there. But now when the KYC is applicable in the every sector, so we can search that on this account which person is behind of this, and who is operating this account, and what is the address, what he is doing. Everything has been available on this applicable. This has been allowed by the customers to open accounting using, when we go in to open the account, then also they take our picture, and if we want to do that, can be done by a short video call also. And these all things has been uploaded in the computer vision, and this technology is using to identifying the customer and to delivering proper thing, and to be identified all the right and wrong, whatever is going on this sector. Next, in the health sector, I have also explained lot of things in the health sector as earlier, that today the medical has using these applications. Next.
Bir sonraki slide.
Here is another point, which the AI is the business which is applicable in the automotive industry. In the automotive industry, we see, as earlier the presentation was, I think, related with this, because I was not understandable your language, but then also which the slides were going, that has been seen by me, and I saw that is also saying about that how the artificial intelligence has been used in the motor car, in the tire, whatever he was explaining a little bit through picture and lot which have been written in the English, which I have read, that I understand that in the automation sector also the AI has been applicable. Now we see that when lot of cars, I will give you example of the car, that when we purchase a car, then we see that what are the features are there, and there is a airbag, okay, and it has given this technology has been built in that car, and it prevents from the accident, that if there is say something is going on happening accident, then the airbag immediately open and it save the
Hello? Dr. Gujarati?
it save the persons who is using that car, that is applicable there, and we can see that that can be done in the car vision. There is a lot of uh, preventions has been taken, and this system is already uploaded through the computer vision technology, and they process on the road where there is a lane. If they're nearby a vehicle or a people nearby, there is a some time of alarm is there which can be warn the driver, and this case can be not happen, and automatically there is a brake system, and facial recognition system also alert the driver. In lot of the car, am I audible? Hello?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, yeah, I'm audible. Okay. So in the car, you have seen that we use the lock system. We are far from the car, but then also we can open and lock our system. There is a face recognitions, and in lot of the high power car, there is this application. When the person is driving the car and he is sleepy, then it indicates that don't sleep, you are driving. So these all applications has been uploaded in that automotive system, and it give the alarm to the person who is driving the car. This is the only example I have given you related with the car. Next slide. Another next is related with the insurance. We see that in the insurance, there also lot of the application has been applied in the insurance sector, and this has been done in the process of the inspection of damaged property, or if in anywhere there is a fire cause, if there is any kind of damage has been done by the naturally, these all things has been investigated by this application, and now it has been become very easy to find out, because as earlier that was there was a very big problem to search actual fact. The through this application, the insurance company is going to be search everything very easily, and they detect the damage is done how. And you see that when we have done, this is an example, whatever practically we have seen. When we are on the road, lot of time we see that there is a one kind of accident, and the every people do their insurance, right? They do for the protection of their car, for the protection of their life. But when some accident has been happens, then their investigation has been start, and it see that whose fault was there. If the fault was by the person, then it can be done in the different manner. But lot of time it was happen, as we have seen lot of the movies, the lot of the frauds also done in the insurance sector also. We have seen a lot movies that the person has did his life insurance, and he show that accident has been done this kind of, and that has already naturally accident was not, it has been done artificially. So these all things now away through the computer vision, it can be deducted, and it can be find out that what is the actual situation of that accidental. Next, we will go in the sports sector. In the behind slide, I have mentioned one in the behind slide. In the behind slide,
Arkadaki slayta geçer misin Selma?
I have
Sports.
mentioned here in the sports sector. In the sports sector, also artificial intelligence is using. We can see that artificial intelligence can track the movement of the player. If there is a race of a long meter and it is not visible, and how it has been that all things is been running on the computer, we can see that where the person is running, what they are doing. Even the some people are doing something in the sport, that also visible through this artificial intelligence that has been uploaded in the sports sector also. There are a lot of more complex games which have to be analyzed. As I have not seen lot games, but I watch cricket match, okay, and in the cricket match or in the football match, when we are watching that match from home, right? And a lot of the audience are there, a lot of the speakers are there, and they are watching. And what was happened sometime it has been declared that out, but it has not out. Then what will happen, they do the replay, and we can see on the scene very closely it shows us, and it shows that it has been hit or not, then they declare that is out or not. Same thing in each and every sports sector, these applications has been applicable, and it has been analyzing by this, and they can get actual performance what has been going in the sports sector. It has been improving the game watching experience and references and player performance also in the better way. Taking the human out of sports gambling, it is simple. See, we say that just as more scientific analysis of sports is changing how coaches, trainers, or clubs play their respective games. Greater analysis of the sporting events in helping odds making database operation, evaluate the potential permutations of each sporting events, increasing the accuracy of that respective odd, thereby making the subsequent odds determination easily. In human trader, it cannot be complete with artificial intelligence because we are far from the player. And if we want to find a very minor point, then it can be find out by this. So this application has been used in the sports sector also. Next.
Bir sonraki slide lütfen.
There is a logistics sector. Artificial intelligence has been applicable in the logistic and supply chains, and we can see that when it is combined with the customer data and analytical physical, artificial intelligence removes friction from the customer experience. Artificial intelligence empowers businesses to act on consumer data to drive improvement throughout many area of the supply chain and in the mobile technology, in the urbanization, lot of where this application has been used, and the consumer demand and shorter delivery week from retailer to retailer, and will expect the same from manufacturer to distributor. Autonomous trucks and robotic picking system also using in the supply chain management, and this has been used in the business days. In the logistic, we have seen that artificial intelligence is being used accurately count in the truck inventory, which leads to better accountability. This can also use to check the quality of the package without opening the product, and it can be readable the text label which has been mentioned there of the packing. Customer demands shortly deliver. Lot of things has been done by the robotic. I think that I have seen the maybe most probably that video you have also seen that when in the starting we have listened that coronavirus has been spread around the world, and it has been started from the Wuhan, and all the people of that Wuhan people are infected by the coronavirus, and the message has been that they have to put in the isolation, right? And we have to keep the social distance from there. So I have seen that time in those days one video was coming on the WhatsApp and people were spreading that the infected person was put in the isolation in the hotel, and who is giving the delivery of the medicine and the food. So they had put the robot, and then there is a rows. In one row they have put the number and the food and their medicine. Again in the second row there is a food and medicine, and that robotic is going to be supply the product to the person who is in the isolation. And what was the happen that the robot has been run by the person, that robot move from the gallery, it go and stand in front of the door, then their bell will be ring by that robot, and the door has been opened. A person who is in the isolation, he comes and he carry his product himself or herself, and then again that robot move from that door to another room number road. So this has been spread that time, and we have seen. Second, in China, this has been implemented. And another, I have seen that in the warehouse also, to moving the product from one place to another place, there is a robotic cart which is supplying the product from one place to another place. I think that this video you have also seen, maybe when we have seen this video. So these all applications has been done by the artificial intelligence, and these all be done in the through the artificial intelligence which has been uploaded. Now next is hospitality. This is a big point in the hospitality, how the artificial intelligence has been used. Because when we see that when our guests come in our house, then when that time we do hospitality ourselves. If we want to serve a water, if we want to serve a tea, anything which we do ourselves. But here this hospitality has been changed in the hotel. Artificial intelligence is working in the hotel, in the casino. What will they do? They discover the customer segments that they may not realize where they are. This was also artificial intelligence. When I was going to come in Turkey last year, then what was happened? This is an example I'm giving you. Then this was I have applied for a visa. So the officer said that you have got a permission from 15 to 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Your accommodation has been booked and you are going to arrive on 14 Istanbul. So your booking is from 15. So we need your accommodation proof of the 14. Then I was in the visa office, and immediately from where I do, then immediately I call to my son, and my son has searched on the mobile and see what was happened. That only we have searched that Istanbul hotels near to airport, and lot of the lists were there, and we were searching. And because my son knows very well that mom, you are going in the Turkey, and we are vegetarian, so you need vegetarian hotel. Then he searched and we got immediately. Means that the hotel has use this artificial intelligence in that app, and we are able to search same thing whatever we want which facility in which hotel, we can search from there. So the hotels are also using this artificial intelligence in their app, and they are searching that which kind of customers are there, which even before coming, we say that as earlier I have said, given the example that speech recognition, in that recognition, when we were talking, then our app is recognizing our voice, and that time on my social media, Istanbul hotels were coming, and it was coming in our front, and I was searching and seeing that which is according to me, which facility is available there, where I will go, same thing. Mean that in the hotel, in the casino, they all are uploading this artificial intelligence app, and they are getting the information of the customers, what the customers wants, and what facility they are providing us in that hotel, and we can search from there, and we can easily book from one place to another place, not in the country. It can be booked in the international area, wherever we have to, because the mindset has been changed. Our consumer mindset has been changed from offline to online also. We search everything on the mobile and computer, and we search everything. If we want to book a taxi, then also we can search and do that.
Problem oldu sanırım ama şimdi herhalde tekrar katılacaktır Profesör Rashmi.
So these has been implemented in the hotel sector. Now next is a human resource management. In the company sector, we can see that in and each and every sector, artificial intelligence and machine learning are going to drastically and forever. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay.
We can hear you.
Yeah, because I am seeing that here is a internet disturbance is coming between. So I think that there is a disconnection. So then we see that artificial intelligence and machine learning is going into each and every sector. If we go in the HR department, in the company, the role of the HR department is a very big role, and lot of the recruitment has been done in the HR department, and they have a lot of data collection, and it is very hard to find out. But now when the computer vision has been come, and these applications has been implemented in the each and every companies, and the HR department is using to recruitment, and they are doing the work, and it is doing very awesome. This work is very easily done by them. HR is likely to be one of the first area of the business that will benefit from artificial intelligence for a two simple ways. We can see that in the aspect of recruiting and HR can be automated. The HR worker can be the freedom of directly work with the people in the business and potential hire. We see that a lot of where in this is also run with us, and practically we have used this wherever we apply, and our application has been sent through email, and that has been gone in the computer, and that company has been uploaded our applications, and it has been collected, and all the communication has been done through the artificial intelligence. Nowadays we have a big example that due to coronavirus, if we want to attend the interview, that also going through the online. So these application has been implemented in each and every sector. So we can see that every business department in the various sector, artificial intelligence has been spread everywhere. And if I say that it will be improved slowly, or in the future it will be increased, no. Due to COVID-19, due to coronavirus, already it has been implemented. At last, I would like to say you that all this knowing about the role of the artificial intelligence in the business, where I have given a lot of examples. See, in the commerce sector, in any sector, I have given that we are getting all the information by the social media, even by the any kind of mail we are accepting, and then also there is some kind of ads are coming. These also are artificial intelligence, which has been, I can say that spread as like a coronavirus everywhere in each sector. So business, in the business, artificial role is a very important role. It is artificial because it has been made by the human. Human has made it. That's why we are saying that it is a artificial intelligence. And at last, my big thanks to Professor Ohan. He has given me this opportunity. But yes, my side and your side also, you have beer, which problem has been done by the internet. So thank you very much. I don't know that how was my presentation. It will be
Very
get by
good.
you.
Very good. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. And I would like to meet you whenever this coronavirus will be removed or the vaccines have been gone. Then sure, I will visit to Turkey, and we'll
We
meet
hope.
again.
We hope.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And namaste from India.
Namaste.
And thank you.
Thank you. I would like to thank Dr. Rashmi Gujrati for their remarkable speech.